Question 14. A television has a diagonal of 50 inch. Oh, so a television might be better to just sketch a television. So that's my television. And the diagonal is like that. That's my diagonal. Terrible drawing. That's my diagonal and it's 50 inches. All right. And the ratio of the length of the television to the width of the television is 4:3, which means what that meant is, so if let's call the length x, so that would be 4x to 3x. That's what that meant. So the ratio is 4:3. So because if this is x, if the length is, this is 4x, because you have to give it a length value, a variable, so x. If this is 4x, that would be 3x. And so that would be 4:3. Now, it says calculate the length and the width of the television. Give your answers to one correct decimal place. So now we know what to do. Again, we're going to use Pythagoras Theorem. All right, don't forget that it's going to be in inches. So let's try this. So what we're going to do is find x. So c squared, so this one is c, and this is a, and that is b. Okay. So the way I got the 4x is because this, I just place x there and x there. So that'll be 4x, 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 3x. So c squared equals a squared plus b squared. And what I can do now is to say, well, 50 squared equals, what's a? So that'll be 4x squared. What's b? 3x squared. Now 50 squared is equal to 4x squared is 16x squared. 3x squared is 9x squared, because you have to square 3 and you have to square x, you have to square 4 and you have to square x. So that's 50 squared. 16 plus 9 is 25. So that would be 25x squared is 50 squared. So what do we do for that? What we need to do now is divide both sides by 25. So that would be 50 squared is going to be 2,500, because that's 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. So 2,500, 2 zeros. 5 squared, because you're squaring 50. So if you square 50, you square 5, that would be 25. You square 0, 2 zeros. So that is divided by 25, and that would be x squared. So what did I do? I divide both sides by 25. So which means that I'm getting x squared. 25 cancel 25, you got 100. So x squared is 100. And if x squared is 100, so you want to square both sides. You want to square both sides, so that x is going to be, well, plus or minus 100. But we only take it in the positive side, so that would be square root of 100 is 10. So just 10. So x is going to be 10. If x is 10, the length will be 10 times 4 will be 40. Yes, and the width is going to be 3 times 10, that will be 30. And that's how we, so that will be 3 times 10 equals 30, and that will be 4 times 10 equals 40.